guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to all my subscribers. If you're not already subscribed, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Today's video is going to be a pretty quick video. I'm just going to show you what I do day to day when I do my makeup for work. Just a quick everyday look without using foundation. Yeah, looks like I have on foundation, huh? But I don't. So I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this quick everyday look with just using setting powders. Enjoy the video, guys. So my daily routine is to make sure my skin is clean, and I apply my serums, my under eye cream, and my moisturizer. So now what you want to start off with first before applying anything to your face is primer. So I'm going to use my No Problem Prime Essence by Touch and Soul. And this primer is like a serum. It's liquidy. I love this primer. So now I'm going to use a concealer, but the only place I'm going to use the concealer is under my eyes, like directly under my eyes. And I'm just going to dab like one right here, right there, just to hide the spots. So if you have like light hyperpigmentation and you want to cover it, because sometimes the translucent powder won't cover it, well, it won't, not sometimes, but it won't cover it, so you just go lightly with a concealer. So I'm gonna apply the concealer. And I went in the corner right here where my tear duct is, because it tends to be a little darker through there. I don't know why, I'm just born with it, I guess, because I never worn glasses in my life. Thank God I have good eyesight, but yeah, it's just naturally made like that. So I'm just dabbing little spots. See, just dabbing little spots. That's it. So the part down here where I cover my spots, I just lightly blend it out with my finger. Or you can use your sponge too. So now I'm going with the translucent powder. So I have two translucent powders, which both of them are by Mercier. Okay, so this is just in translucent, and this is translucent medium deep. But first, I'm taking the translucent. Just go under my eyes where I applied that concealer. And I usually just go ahead and just set the rest of my face. So this is still the translucent. I'm just placing the translucent in the areas where I usually highlight. And I'm going to add some through here. Okay, so now I'm going to take the translucent powder into medium deep. Just hitting the rest of the areas where I didn't apply the translucent. And you notice I'm just dabbing it in with my beauty blender. That's it. You can do it with a brush also, but it seems to be a little bit quicker to me with my beauty blender. Well, beauty sponge, sorry. Okay, and I'm gonna go over my eyelids. I forgot, I always apply eyeshadow primer on my eyelids because, as you can see, my eyelids are oily. So I'm gonna apply this first and then put the translucent powder over it. Smoothing it out with my finger. Okay, now going over my eyes with the powder. And this is the powder medium deep. Okay, the face is complete. Looks like you have on foundation, but you don't. So those two translucent powders, I love it. It's like a quick everyday look that I can do real quick. Next step, I usually just go over with the big fluffy brush to make sure everything just blend in. Okay, now I'm just gonna give myself just a slight contour look with the bronzer. So I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty, bronzer and Caramel Cutie. So I'm just lightly applying that. Because remember, this is a quick everyday look. You just want something really quick so you can head out of the house. Just going down the sides of my nose, just giving a little slight contour look. Okay, so now I'm using, this is a sample that I got from Sephora. This is the Mercier powder as well, but it's the glow powder. So this is the glow powder in the medium deep. It's just in this little container. So I'm just gonna use that just to highlight certain little points, just give it a little subtle highlight. Just a soft glow. I'll take the same powder and go right here on my tear duct, inner tear duct. And of course I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with it once I do my brows as well. I'm gonna go with the classic, it's a classic wing liner. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. liquid liner in black. The mascara I'm going with is the Trestique mascara. It's the Good Vibes mascara. Yeah, this end is for the lash curler, if you're wondering what's on the end, but I don't need it. My lashes are curly. So for the brows, I'm going to use my Iconic Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion, and this is in the medium one. Yeah, so I have my very first makeup workshop coming up. Yeah, I'm kind of excited about it. Yeah, well, I am excited about it. So yeah, it's gonna be here in Nashville, Tennessee. If you're in the Nashville, Tennessee area, make sure you come support. It's gonna be fun. And the tickets, if you're interested, the tickets is on my website at giftedhandsomemotion.net. I'm gonna make sure I put the handle down there. But yeah, y'all, and here's the flyer. I love the flyer, so cute. So yeah, that I'm excited, guys. So this is the start of many to come. And some days I use a pencil. I just want to use this. Some days I use a pencil, some days I use this. Pencil tends to be a little bit quicker. Oh, I forgot to add, we're also doing like giveaways for the workshop and stuff. So makeup giveaways. Okay, so the brows are done, and now I'm going to apply my strip lashes, which is the Lily lashes. And you can skip this part if you want. I know some people don't like to apply strip lashes, but you can skip this part if you want. So I usually always use the I Envy Super Stronghold Eyelash Glue. The staying power is amazing on this glue. So while I'm waiting for my lashes to get a little tacky before I apply them, I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone with the same powder, the glow powder in medium deep. Lashes applied, and sometimes I have to go over it, which I do. You guys can probably see that little spot right there. I mean, you don't have to, it's just me. Sometimes I have to adjust the lashes. It takes off some of the eyeliner, so I just usually just kind of go over it. And camouflaging the lash also. Let's go over with that liner again, that black liner. Okay, now time for the lips. And after the lips, this will wrap up the look. The lips, of course, Dove Queen's Cosmetics. Y'all know I'm loving these liquid lipsticks. They last all freaking day, y'all. So yeah, Dove Queen's Cosmetics. And it's in the color Royal Rain. Last step, setting spray. And this is the Skin and Company Truffle Therapy. Okay, I'm back, guys, with my completed everyday look. This look did not take me long at all, so I'm excited because I usually take a while if I'm doing a full face. But that's why I'm just using setting powders. As you can see, the setting powders just look like you have on a full face of makeup, but you don't. So yeah, your skin, it just still feels like it's breathing and just clean. So I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. This everyday look. So I know it took me like, it usually takes me like 20 minutes, which is darn good because when I'm doing a full face it takes me like an hour. So it cut a lot of time out. And don't forget, if you're in the Nashville, Tennessee area, check me out. Go to my website, purchase a ticket for my workshop. It's gonna be fun. Be blessed, guys. Bye.